Welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of my previous video, so if you haven't watched part 1 yet, make sure you check it out first. The link is in the description. In this video, we're going to restore your entire backed up Windows system using Ventoy and your custom ISO file. And the best part? Once it's done, your apps, programs, and settings will all be exactly the way you left them. So let's get started. First, we need to prepare the USB drive using Ventoy. Make sure you have a USB drive with enough free space for your Windows backup ISO. Head over to Google and download the latest Windows version of Ventoy. Once the download is complete, unzip the file, open the folder, and run ventoy2disk.exe. Ventoy should automatically detect your USB drive. Click Start to install it onto the USB, but remember, this will completely erase everything on the drive, so back up any important files first. Once Ventoy is installed, simply copy your backed up Windows 11 ISO file onto the USB drive. That's it, your bootable USB is now ready. Now reboot your PC and boot from the USB drive. Press the boot menu key for your motherboard, usually F12, Escape, or Del. When you see the Ventoy screen, choose your Windows backup ISO from the list and press Enter. The Windows setup will now start. Choose your language and keyboard settings, then Continue. Make sure you select Repair your computer or the previous setup option when needed. Next, click Install Now. If you don't have a product key, just select I don't have a product key. Windows should activate automatically later. Accept the license terms, click Next, then choose Advanced Installation. Now this part is very important, make sure your target drive shows as unallocated space. If partitions already exist, delete them carefully until the drive becomes unallocated. Once ready, click Install. Now just sit back and let Windows restore your system. Depending on your hardware, this may take a little time. When it's finished, your PC will restart, and just like that, your backed up Windows system will be fully restored with everything intact. Simple as that. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. And don't forget to check out part 1 if you want to learn how to create the backup ISO in the first place. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.